If you've not washed your towel for the past 1 week, just know that you are home with over 650 million bacteria. Multiply this number with how many weeks you've used your towel unwashed. Most of the dangers that we encounter and most of the health challenges that we have is when we share our towel with someone else. That's the worst mistake you can do, because when you share your towel with someone else, this person transfers his or her bacteria to your body, and this can cause you sicknesses and diseases. So you may ask, how do these bacteria get to your body to cause you sickness? When you use your towel vigorously, it scratches your body. The tiny breaks in your body, they are too small to notice. They are the ones, those breaks in, those things are the ones that gives bacteria entryway into your body, which can cause one sickness or the other. A research done by Dr. Garber of New York City, a microbiologist, finds out that a towel that is not washed for 7 days and above has over 650 million bacteria. Most of them you can find fungus, E. coli in the towel, and this can cause a whole lot of illnesses and sickness to our body. Most of the bacteria in an unwashed towel can cause urinary tract infection. Nearly 90% of our 650 towels that were taken into the laboratory, nearly 90% of them were contaminated with bacteria called E. coli form bacteria, while 14% of them contained both E. coli form bacteria and E. coli, which can cause staph aureus. So I'm going to show you how often you are to wash your towel, because now most of us are home, most of us are afraid of things that are going on globally. So we have to take good care of ourselves, we have to take good care of our hygiene, we have to take proper care of our body so that we can be healthy enough to ward off anything that is trying to come our way. So that's why this clip is very, very important. So how do you clean your towel? It is advised for you to clean your towel at least after 3 days, after every 3 days, or twice in a week. So the second one is about your shower heads. How many times have you cleaned your shower heads? 90 to 99% of shower heads that have not been cleaned for a month to 6 months to 1 year and above has positively contaminated with fungi and mycobacteria that can cause long infection. The disease the shower heads can transmit to your body is called non-tuberculous mycobacterial lung infection. That's the disease that can be transmitted through unwashed or unclean shower heads. This infection comes through inhalation. You can inhale it while taking your bath. Symptoms of NTM, non-tuberculous mycobacteria, are chronic or recurring cough, loss of weight, fever, loss of energy. Notice metal shower head contains more mycobacteria than the plastic ones. Heat and moisture are the most prominent factor for the growth of bacteria. Hence, shower heads becomes a prominent heaven for these bacteria. Pressure and warmth makes it easy for these bacteria to be pushed from the shower heads into our bodies. So the question is, how do you clean your shower head? Alright, I just want to take you, I'll take you upstairs, but I'm going to show you how you clean your shower heads. All you have to do is loose your shower heads, soak them in an undiluted bleach for about 30 minutes. Soak them in an undiluted bleach for about 30 minutes, or you can use white vinegar. You can use white vinegar and soak them for about 30 minutes. So now that you are home, brush your towel often, clean your shower heads at least once in a month or twice. I know most of us have not taken into cognizance, but it's a fact. A low lot of sicknesses and diseases comes to this way. Okay, I'm going to see you tomorrow or next tomorrow to bring you more mind-blowing findings that I've made at the cost of staying home. So join me if you have learned something from what I've discussed so far. Please just subscribe to this channel. This is my personal YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel, or you can follow me on my Facebook page, Emmanuel Eze. My YouTube channel, Emmanuel Eze, Mind Shift. You can subscribe because I have about 16 household things that are causing deadly diseases and sicknesses to our bodies. I'll see you in 2 days' time. God bless you.